Hi everyone and welcome to my channel.
I am sharing one of my favorite husband's meal with chickpeas. Heat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. The first step is to wash the peppers and the onion and cut them into strips. Place a baking paper on a tray with size 20 by 30 centimeters. Pour the chickpeas first. Chopped peppers. Onion. Olive oil. Cuisine. Hot peppers. Black pepper, Himalayan salt, and tomato puree. Mix everything well. Cut a piece of baking paper slightly larger than the size of the pan. Make it wet it with water in the sink and squeeze it. As the paper gets wet, will soften. Cover the dish with it. The idea is that as it bakes, the moisture will evaporate from the paper without burning, and the dish will steam well. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius in the oven, with fan, for about 35 to 40 minutes. Take out the dish from the oven and remove the paper. Sprinkle with your chopped parsley. Serve while hot.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.
You may serve with a spoon of strained yogurt, as it goes well with the dish.